Hello everyone, once again I am here with you. The topic is special indicators for class 9 in economics. So today in my last video lecture I explained that what is social exclusion and why it is called the cause and consequence of poverty, and why some people or groups are not able to live a equal life like others, those who have equal facilities and opportunities. So next topic is vulnerability, because nowadays we talk about and the analysis of poverty is done on a broader term, and now it is called as human poverty. So here I am going to discuss that what is vulnerability. Vulnerable means those who are weak. So what we say that in our society, or especially in our country, after 70 or more years of independence, still what we say that 1/4 of our population, they are not enjoying or they do not have equal facilities and they are ill treated, and we know that nobody wants to live in this poverty. So what is the ability of these people, whether they are able to face the risk, the known and unknown risk in their life? Are they able to improve their life? So that is why the social scientists tell that they say that there are two special indicators which will help us to analyze the problem of poverty. Why in India there is the largest concentration of poor people, and why according to these concept poverty means poor people, they are unable to improve their situation and they are poor and they will remain poor in coming years also. So what is vulnerability? Vulnerability is, of course, it is a process, it is a measure which tells us that there is greater probability about some groups and some communities and physically challenged and some people, those who are not given equal treatment in society like widows etc., that they are poor and they will remain poor in future also. Why they will remain poor in future also? Because it is measured on the basis of some options or alternatives which they lack. These people, they are illiterate, they have no asset, they do not have the family to back up, for their backup or for support to support them. So they have no education, so they are vulnerable and they are unable to fight with the odds that comes through various problems, or that is means suppose due to natural disaster, flood, earthquake, tsunami etc. comes. It comes for everyone, it affects everyone, but those who are more affected or adversely affected, they are the poor people, they are the vulnerable groups, they are the handicapped, they are the low caste people, they are the disabled people. So additional analysis has been done why these people are poor and why they will remain poor in the coming days also. So vulnerability is the ability of these groups to face or to handle the risk which comes, handle the risk because of the situations, because of the disaster which occurs in various countries or in various places. So vulnerability is determined by the options that these people or communities or groups lacks. They do not have health and job opportunities, and further it is analyzed on the basis of the risk, that these greater risk that these groups face at the time of natural disaster. Means they are all they are in risk, their life is very difficult, they are unable to buy food, they are unable to buy proper shelter, they are unable to give education to their child, and above all, if natural disaster happens, then they are more adversely affected and then they become more unable to handle these risks and start their life again. So in this way we say that it comes, these disasters or natural things, disasters comes for everyone, but those who are more affected, they are the vulnerable groups. So vulnerability is the ability to fight with these known and unknown disasters that these people lack. Now next topic that I am going to discuss here is poverty line, but because due to storage problem in my mobile I will not continue, so I will carry on with the next topic in my next video. Thank you boys. Thank you all of you, those who are attending, not only the boys, everyone, those who have attended the class. Thank you.